Hello, people. Welcome to Concepted, where we review the concepts, direction, and art direction of commercials and music videos. Today, we have one of my favorites. Conceptually, I think it sets the standard for music video. We got Vince Staples' phone. Let's jump right in. Google Earth. So, he's setting the scene as Google Earth. Somebody is investing in this neighborhood, this block. Let's see what they trying to accomplish, man. Heat. So I'm gonna do this without focusing on the bars because Vince so cold with the film that all his shit match up a lot more often than most. But I'm gonna just focus on higher level concepts so we can get through the video. So he's surveilling this girl living her life. She doing her thing. The sign said dip, so that could be her dipping or leaving. But I think that's Chicago language, not LA language. You see it say that would be fire if that was intentional. You know what I'm saying? So the little girl walking past, she on school enjoying herself at her little ball, but she running past what they memorializing somebody. Somebody probably died right here. But in the midst of that, they juxtaposing it with a little kid with a gun aiming at the little girl that just left school. Fire! I could be overthinking that, but I don't think these people underthink. You feel me? Overthinking is not real. Fire. So she getting shot at on the way home. All right, that was the first scene memorializing. We got kids with guns. What's next? ASAP Nas, but it's also a juxtaposition of like understanding. So it's almost like he putting it in the video what people probably expect to see. So that could be you know what I'm saying? That could be like this is what they show the blocks to be, even though they might not be or something. You know, that's interesting commentary. ASAP Nas, shut up Nas. Then we got a neighborhood fight. Stereotypical with the military blues. Or hey man, some of y'all ain't clean y'all shoes with soap and a toothbrush in years, and it shows, man. Look, now he want first dibs on the site. You want to see it? They put up in the street, door open, they tripping. But look, they minding their business. Look, now the little girls like, damn, look, fucking it up. They just want to have fun. Maybe that's what it is. The kids just want to have fun, but we can't. We got a bike theft scene. Vince just observing. He seems to be placed there. Well done. Now we have a non-black woman in what seems to be a very, very black neighborhood. I guess this is their civic duty. I guess they call themselves reverse gentrification. Unc always tweaking, man. You know Unc always gets to tweaking. Unc got the snake in the street. This the dancing clown dude from LA. I forget his name, but he got paid homage to him. That's gangster. More blue hues in a lot of these houses. I wonder if they just all end up being blue or they did that. That would be fire if they did. I doubt it. My hair be doing this, we're gonna have to just deal with it. We got Granny and them walking on the same block going to church. Granny walking past. Our next scene. See that we got a woman selling something. Selling body for distraction. Man stealing tools from her. Gotta do what you gotta do. More guns and kids. Then down you got juxtaposition. So like, if this is a violent place, but the police here. Just because the police here and there might be a violent place don't mean y'all get to, you know what I'm saying? Have people up on the street, middle of the block in front of the kids. Y'all, this is crazy. But he's having a commentary probably on police brutality or something like that. More blue cribs. Aerial push out. Kids playing sports. I just want to. But look, I like this one a lot. It's like, stop recording us, stop surveilling us, man. You ever seen a car go down your block? Like, man, I did not agree or did I oblige, whatever the word is, did I agree to be recorded? No, I didn't, man. Break the camera. This one cool, little domestic. Got caught cheating, probably. Goofy. Then we got the performance scene at the end. Ramona Park, he's super zooming in on this. You see the little glitch? The little glitch is fire, man. Conceptually, they went absolutely nuts on this. And it's also like they interacting with the cameras. Like, this is what all we want to do is have fun. This is fire. So we see a little Lucas at the crib learning about Ramona Park from Google Earth. Now Lucas don't go to school tomorrow. You know you're not supposed to be doing this. Lucas got free Kodak on the wall. Lucas feel a part of this community because he watched the videos on YouTube, man. Fire commentary. Fire video events. 10 out of 10, man. Well done. Heat. No denying that. Conceptually 10 out of 10. Heat.